Hey, Lisa. Yeah, this is an issue. I've seen this happen before, and I think I've got a good solution for it. What we're going to need to do here is go into, I think we can just do this with the quick edit function. So right here we have in stock, out of stock. Um, but go ahead and switch it to on back order and then update it. And then repeat. So we're going to go back in with quick edit again. We're going to go to put it in stock now and then update it. And then we're good to go. Why it does that, I think, is because we've edited potentially something in either the variations or the attributes. So we want to change the gemstone options, or in variations, we might have changed something in here, like setting the price or adding another saying, adding the custom saying, etc. But basically, that's the fix on that. So let's go ahead and jump back to all products and go and find another one that is marked as out of stock, and we'll run through that example one more time. It's a pretty quick fix. Um, so ideally, we don't have any more. Oh, hey, there's one. All right, so again, so we're going to find the out of stock. We're going to go to quick edit. We're going to go down to in stock and change it to on back order and update it. Why, I've tested this a few times, and why it doesn't just let you switch it from out of stock to in stock the first time, it doesn't work. I don't know why, but changing it completely to on back order and then to in stock works. That's similar to a different thing with fixing um, the permalinks on a WordPress site. Like sometimes it just says, hey, I don't understand what format you want in permalinks. Change it to a basic one and then change it back to the custom one, and that fixes everything. So we're like 2.5 minutes in here. I think it was those three that we found so far. This is awkward when we have this stuff over here expanding these lines. It's nice when they're easier to read and they're tighter together, but I'm just going to go through all these and make sure we're good to go here. This guy. Okay, actually on the Bengals thing, let's go in here and this is great because we've got two issues that you asked about in the in that last email. So we're gonna go into quick edit again. We're gonna turn that back to in stock and update, and we'll probably need to do this again. So now we're gonna go into attributes and size. And so this is the formatting that you didn't like. We're going to change these small, medium. I should just had made and then made. We're looking for LG. So we wanted those four sizes like that. We're going to save those attributes. And I think this is the issue that we had here. So under variations, extra small, small, medium, medium large, and extra large. It looks like it should be saving in that order. No default size. We'll just put a default size on there and save that. These any size ones we do not need. We're going to take out any size because that's not an option. And actually at this point we might as well I'm going to show you how to blow this whole thing up, and we're going to redo it. We're going to delete all the variations, and we're going to say go. Yes. Okay. And we're going to go back to our attributes. Texture, we've got those textures. So squares matte, ball peen matte, bamboo matte, lines matte, square shiny, ball peen shiny, bamboo shiny, lines shiny. That's good. Size, extra small, small medium, medium large, extra large. Save attributes. Now we're going to go into variations, and we are going to create variations from all attributes, and go. Yes, it's going to do 50 at a time. When we get into the bracelets with gemstones and saying options, we're going to have like into the hundreds of variations. We just need to run that function each time until we get some odd number, as in not 50 variations added. So these 32 have added all the variations that are possible from the 2 sets of attributes. Close that. This was another, so we've got extra small, small medium, medium large, extra large with the first finish, and these are in order. So this looks good so far. What we need to do now that we've changed all this is go into set regular prices, and that's where you're going to find this thing. I'm going to need to pause this and jump away and find the price on that and come back. But set regular prices and go. We're going to add that value right there in a minute. Okay, unfortunately on your site it won't show that value now because we've basically blown everything up here in the back end, and or it was already listed as out of stock, but I found it on your Etsy site at 65. So we're going to go ahead and OK that. We can double check that that worked, and or change the price on a particular item by popping this open, just clicking on it. We can change the regular price right here. And we've got in stock status and regular price at 65. So for example, going through in a necklace that has variations in chain length, I basically went through and did the add variation of set regular prices to the regular price, and then went into each of the individual items that would essentially have like the longer chain length, popping that open and adding the extra $8 for the medium long chain length, adding the extra $5. So that's how we're doing those. But now we've updated the sizes, and we've fixed the price. We're going to update that, and now hopefully when we go back we're going to see that it is in stock, and then I'm also going to double check on the site that it is in stock and textured. Okay, it says out of stock at 145. Interesting, it's not the one that I just fixed. There's one that I fixed for 65. Oh, this might be really handy. But anyways, we're gonna go through quick edit, out of stock, back order, update, and quick edit, in stock, update, and we're good to go. We're on page 7 of 8. Might as well just go through all of these while we're at it. And looks like everything's in stock. I'm going to stop this video here at 9 minutes, and we'll be in touch on the next item.